When most people think about testing an all-terrain tire, they probably think about giant rocks and mountain trails and deep mud somewhere out west. But that's really not how most people use them. Most SUV owners spend far more time commuting to work, taking road trips, or going over the occasional dirt road than they do climbing over boulders. So today we're doing something a little bit different. So today we're doing something a little different. Instead of chasing the biggest obstacles that we can find, we're heading to the Picayune Strand State Forest to explore one of the most fascinating places in Florida. And somewhere along the way, we'll answer a simple question. What are all-terrain tires actually made for? But first, a huge shout out to Bridgestone for sending us 5 of these Dueler all-terrain Ascent tires for a long-term review. We went with the 265/65/18 on the stock wheels, a slightly larger sidewall compared to the factory size. Our next stop was our favorite independent Toyota shop in Bonita Springs, Lexus. They mounted and balanced all 5 tires and got our alignment dialed in just right. And now for one of the strangest stories in Southwest Florida. Driving through here today, you'd probably think that these roads were built to explore the forest, kind of like we're doing right now. But they weren't, and there's way more to the story that include some false promises and a failed business. In the 1960s, the Gulf American Land Corporation sold thousands of lots in Golden Gate Estates, marketed as a dream community south of Naples, to buyers across the country and overseas, many of whom purchased sight unseen, only to discover their land was flood-prone swamp with no utilities and roads that led nowhere in what became one of the biggest land scams in American history. The development collapsed, the land was eventually bought back by the state parcel by parcel, and today the area is Picayune Strand State Forest, home to a massive Everglades restoration project that's plugging the old canals and removing the ghost roads. Standing here now, it's kind of crazy to think these roads weren't built for adventure. Scientists are actually working to reverse many of the changes that made this development possible in the first place, restoring the natural flow of water and helping wildlife return to the landscape. The crazy thing is, as we are out here doing this video, there's a lot more locks and gates than there were before. So even though it seemed like they were trying to kind of let nature reclaim things, I'm not positive exactly what's going on back here. I suppose it wouldn't surprise me if they were trying to try this again and build another neighborhood. I think that's part of what makes this place so interesting. You're driving through a piece of Florida history that almost ended very differently. These are exactly the kind of roads that many SUV owners actually encounter. Loose gravel, washboard sections, shallow water crossings, and patches of soft sand that aren't really extreme obstacles. But they can quickly expose the difference between a highway tire and an all-terrain tire. But that's exactly why we chose the Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain Ascent for our GX 460. We found that people were not using this tire, and they weren't really talking about it either. After checking out all of the GX Facebook groups and the off-road groups, and why not try these tires, and then we can take this information back to the community and kind of tell them the experience that we had with them. We actually asked Bridgestone to send us 5 tires because we wanted to see if the full-size spare still fit in the factory location and cleared the OEM hitch, and I'm happy to report that it does. I think one of the first things I noticed was that I kind of forgot about the tires, but I mean that in the best way possible, if that makes sense. I've driven on all-terrain tires that remind you that they're there every mile. They're loud on the highway, they change the way the steering feels, or they just make the ride a little harsher. I kept waiting for one of those moments, but it never came. Out here, the road is constantly changing. We've got rocks, we've got mud, we've got sand, then you suddenly find yourself in a giant puddle. But the GX kind of just kept feeling like the GX. That was probably the biggest takeaway for me. The steering still felt natural, the ride stayed comfortable, even when the surface underneath us changed, the vehicle never felt unsettled. I wasn't thinking about the tires every few minutes. I was thinking about where the road was taking us. And I think that's exactly what I wanted from this setup. Most of the miles on our GX are still spent on the pavement, and they're going to Publix for our weekly grocery run. They're going to feed our community cats that we visit every day, and they're generally just driving me around when I want to be comfortable. We take road trips, we run errands, we use it like a daily driver. But that doesn't mean that we don't want to have fun with it and be able to take it out in places like the Picayune on the weekend or when the occasion calls for it. The Dueler all-terrain Ascent never made it feel like a different vehicle. So if we're gonna switch to an all-terrain tire, I didn't want to feel like we were giving something up just to get a little more capability on the weekends. It just made it feel a little more comfortable taking roads like this without wondering if we were asking too much from a highway tire. Somewhere along the way, this stopped being about the tire. The Picayune Strand has become one of the most important wildlife corridors in Southwest Florida. It's home to black bears, alligators, countless bird species, frogs, and it's one of the last remaining strongholds for the very endangered Florida panther. The tires gave us a reason to come here, but the Picayune Strand ended up being the story. Yes, the Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain Ascent handled the terrain exactly the way that I hoped, but more importantly, it did its job while letting this place become the focus. And maybe that's what a good all-terrain tire is supposed to do. Simply by giving you the confidence to take a road that you might not have before or that you've always wanted to explore. Because sometimes that's where the best stories begin, right?